Welcome to Woodolex, supplier of the most flexible wooden board. What is flexible wooden board? Flexible wooden board is a brand new approach to flexible wood that's already changing the shape of UK craftsmanship. By simply applying heat directly to the material surface, you can bend and shape it exactly how you want, so that you can deliver nothing but the perfect finish. Flexible wooden board will save you a lot of time and money when carrying out any project. Woodolex won Best Innovation in Show Award at UK Construction Week 2021. The UK Construction Week is a prestigious annual exhibition that recognises innovation, design and excellence within the UK construction industry. The three-day event saw over 6,000 innovative products from over 300 exhibitors across the world. Where to use FWB? Flexible wooden board is designed to make various kinds of decorative elements and bend them. It is perfect for curved skirtings, architraves, mouldings, panels, handrails, furniture covings, doddos, arts, and many more applications. It can be installed on furniture, walls, ceilings, doors, etc. It is very easy to bend in all directions when heated with warm air, and this is a great material for all kinds of curves and bends. How is made? Woodolex is a new generation of flexible wooden boards made from 96% recycled wood and 4% adhesive. The main goal was to create a 100% natural wooden board, hard like wood and flexible like rubber. The flexible wooden board is made of thin layers of sawdust glued together to form a solid board with an even thickness. Woodolex boards are a unique combination of natural materials and modern technology. We hope Woodolex become your favorite material.